10 foods to help you meet the recommended vitamin C intake. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin. Also known as ascorbic acid, vitamin C is vital for normal growth and development and for maintaining good health. Why do you need vitamin C? Vitamin C is classified as an antioxidant, and its main function is to boost the immune system. It is also needed for the growth and repair of cells and tissues throughout your body. Vitamin C supports the production of ligaments, collagen, a supportive component in your skin, and blood vessels. It also helps repair and maintain bones and teeth. Moreover, it protects your body against a number of ailments, such as common cold, asthma, heart issues, high blood pressure, osteoarthritis, and age-related macular degeneration. This vitamin is also needed for the proper absorption of iron in plant foods. What are the symptoms of vitamin C deficiency? Signs and symptoms associated with vitamin C deficiency are dull skin, gum problems, tooth loss, fatigue, decreased ability to ward off infections, increased tendency to bruise or bleed, swelling of the joints, hair loss and split ends, nosebleeds. Severe deficiency of this vitamin is called scurvy. Foods that increase your vitamin C content. Here are the 10 food items that help you meet the recommended vitamin C intake. 1. Papaya. Papaya has 60.9 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, which is 75% of the recommended daily intake. Known as the fruit of the angels, papaya also has a good amount of vitamin A, potassium, and calcium. Plus, it contains beta-carotene, folate, fiber, magnesium, and protein. Moreover, it is very low in calories and contains no cholesterol. When included as a regular part of your diet, papaya helps protect against heart diseases, improve digestion, protect the eyesight, treat arthritis, improve the complexion, nourish the hair, boost the immunity, aid in weight loss, prevent cancer, and reduce premature aging signs. Enjoy ripe papaya on its own or add it to your salads, smoothies, and juices. You can use unripe green papaya in stews, stir-fries, curries, and soups. Note: pregnant women should refrain from consuming papaya. Papaya is unsafe during pregnancy as it contains latex, which causes uterine contractions. Also, avoid papaya if you are allergic to latex or papain. Further research is required on this subject. 2. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers have 92.9 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, which is 97% of the recommended daily intake. In addition to vitamin C, red bell peppers are also an excellent source of vitamin K, B6, and E as well as thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, potassium, manganese, dietary fiber, and folate. They are rich in carotenoids, including alpha-carotene, beta-carotene, lycopene, lutein, cryptoxanthin, and zeaxanthin. When eaten regularly, red bell peppers help reduce bloating, prevent hypertension, support eyesight, and increase the body's metabolic rate. 1 serving of red bell peppers is equal to 1 cup of chopped raw peppers or 2 small peppers. You can add chopped bell peppers to salads, soups, and stir-fry dishes. Roasted or steamed bell peppers also taste quite good. Along with red bell peppers, the green and yellow varieties are also good sources of vitamin C. 3. Broccoli. Broccoli has 89.2 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, which is 107% of the recommended dietary allowance. This healthy and nutritious veggie is rich in dietary fiber. Other nutrients present in it include vitamin A, folic acid, calcium, potassium, magnesium, and sulfur. Broccoli offers a variety of health benefits. Including it in your diet can help promote weight loss, improve heart health, regulate blood pressure, boost brain power, improve eye health, and prevent premature aging signs. It is also effective in reducing your risk of several types of cancers. Eat at least 1.5 cups of broccoli 2 or 3 times per week. You can enjoy it as a healthy snack or add it to your salads, stir-fries, curries, and soups. Note: Reconsider cooking and boiling broccoli, as these processes can lower the vitamin C content, especially if you end up throwing the water away. 4. Kiwi. Raw green kiwi has 92.7 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, which is 112% of the recommended daily intake. This fuzzy fruit also contains vitamin A, E, and K, as well as potassium, copper, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and beta-carotene. It is high in fiber and low in carbohydrates. Eating kiwi on a regular basis helps boost immunity, fight stress, make skin healthy, promote weight loss, and lower high blood pressure. Eat 1 medium-size kiwi daily as a healthy snack. You can add kiwi slices to fresh salads, yogurt, smoothies, and fruit tarts. Note: do not eat kiwi if you are allergic to actinitin. 5. Strawberries. Strawberries have 58.8 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, which is 71% of the recommended daily intake. They are a very good source of manganese, dietary fibers and folate, and also contain vitamin B6, copper, potassium, biotin, and magnesium. In addition, strawberries have a high water content. When eaten regularly, strawberries help improve skin health, support brain health, promote weight loss, whiten teeth, improve heart health, reduce cholesterol, fight cancer, and protect against Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Eat a handful of ripe strawberries daily as a healthy snack to enjoy its health benefits. You can also add a few strawberries to your favorite smoothie, milkshake, salad, ice cream, and pies. Note: do not eat strawberries if you are allergic to this fruit. 6. Oranges. Oranges have 53.2 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, which is 64% of the recommended dietary allowance. Oranges are perhaps the first thing most people think of when looking for foods rich in vitamin C. This fruit also contains vitamin A and B, calcium, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, choline, and dietary fiber. In addition, oranges have more than 170 phytochemicals and over 60 flavonoids with strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Eat oranges or drink orange juice to boost immunity, fight skin problems, lower cholesterol, support heart health, strengthen bones, slow down the aging process, prevent cancer, and improve eyesight. Enjoy 1 to 2 organic oranges as a healthy snack, or drink 1 glass of orange juice daily. Along with oranges, grapefruit and lemons also contain a good amount of vitamin C. 7. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts contain 85 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, which is 102% of the recommended daily allowance. Brussels sprouts, which resemble a small cabbage, also contain a good amount of vitamin K. Other nutrients in them include folate, manganese, fiber, vitamin B1 and B6, potassium, phosphorus, and iron. They are also rich in cancer-preventing phytonutrients and contain only a few calories. By making Brussels sprouts a regular part of your diet, you can reduce your risk of obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. These also improve bone health, energy level, and vision. Eat at least 1 to 2 cups of this leafy vegetable 2 or 3 times a week. You can enjoy it boiled, steamed, grilled, roasted, or add it to stir-fry dishes. Be sure not to overcook them. Just like Brussels sprouts, cabbage is also a good source of vitamin C. Note: people taking anticoagulants, warfarin, sold under the name Coumadin, should avoid eating Brussels sprouts due to its high vitamin K content. 8. Pineapple. Pineapple has 47.8 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, which is 58% of the recommended daily intake. This water-rich fruit is a natural source of bromelain, a digestive enzyme that has anti-inflammatory properties. It also contains vitamin A, B1, and B6, calcium, potassium, copper, phosphorus, manganese, folate, and dietary fiber. In addition, it is low in fat. Pineapple promotes healthy digestion, boosts immunity, aids in weight loss, fights inflammation, supports oral health, improves vision, strengthens bones and keeps the skin healthy. Eat 1 cup of fresh pineapple chunks daily as a healthy snack or add it. 9. Kale. Kale has 93.4 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, which is 93% of your recommended dietary allowance. It also contains vitamin A, K, B1, B2, B3, and B6. Other nutrients found in kale are manganese, calcium, copper, potassium, magnesium, iron, phosphorus, dietary fiber, and protein. Moreover, kale is a good source of carotenoids, lutein, and zeaxanthin. Eat kale on a regular basis to fight inflammation, improve eye health, support detoxification, improve heart health, manage diabetes, treat anemia, and reduce your risk of various cancers. Enjoy 1.5 to 2 cups of kale 4 or 5 times per week. Instead of boiling it, opt for steaming, microwaving, or stir-frying kale to retain its nutrients. You can even enjoy kale chips, which can be easily prepared at home. You may add kale to your smoothie recipes. Note: people taking anticoagulants such as warfarin, sold under the name Coumadin, should refrain from eating kale because of its high vitamin K content. 10. Cauliflower. Cauliflower has 48.2 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, which is 58% of the recommended daily intake. Cauliflower is also an excellent source of vitamin B1, B2, B6, and K, folate, and pantothenic acid. In addition, it contains choline, dietary fibers, omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium, manganese, biotin, and protein. It is low in fat and carbohydrates and also consists of several phytochemicals and carotenoids. Eating cauliflower helps protect against cardiovascular and cerebrovascular diseases, fight cancer, improve brain function, and support detoxification. Include at least 1.5 cup of this cruciferous vegetable in your diet 2 or 3 times per week. Cauliflower can be roasted, boiled, fried, mashed, steamed, or eaten raw. If you are not eating enough vitamin C-rich foods, boost your intake of this important nutrient through supplementation under your doctor's supervision. Vitamin C supplements are available as chewable tablets, capsules, and drops that are similar to hard candy.